Log into Grok. To connect Grok with Gmail, use Grok's built-in connectors feature. Select the Connect option. Select Gmail and choose your Gmail account. This is a native integration, part of Google Workspace support, that lets Grok read/write emails, search your inbox, draft replies, manage labels, and more directly in conversations. You can also directly go to https://grok.com/connectors. On mobile, go to Apps, Settings, Connectors. Click New Connector or Add Connector. Let us create a prompt and ask Grok to send the response to the connected email. Grok has sent a draft email. Let us check the email. Yes, Grok has sent a draft email which we can edit and send to anyone. Let us do another test. We will ask Grok, is there any unread emails in the inbox? Yes, it gave correct answer. Now, let us connect Grok with GitHub. Select GitHub in the connection and give your GitHub account name. You can connect with specific repository or all the repositories in the account. Let us select all the repositories. It will send a verification code to the email used in the GitHub account. Enter the code. Now Grok is connected with GitHub repositories. Let us list the files stored in the GitHub repository supermarket. Give a prompt with full name of the repository. Grok has correctly listed all the files in the repository. Let us read a file stored in the GitHub repository. The store holidays are stored in the repo in JSON format. Let us read and convert as a table. It has worked as expected.
If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Bye.